Okay, so let's say though that we wanted to, or that there were more possibilities than just two. We've dealt with these two possibilities, if random equals 0 and if random equals 1. Those are the only two values it can generate because it goes up to but does not include 2 point anything as a possibility. But let's say that there were 5 possibilities. Now, if we run our code, there are going to be occasions where the background is just kind of that light gray because we've only done anything in the instances where it's either the value of random is either 0 or 1. So if we want to account for more choices, we have different options. So we can associate these if statements with each other with the word else. And so frequently you'll have else if, and then we'll need to use these braces because you need to have the braces there to associate the if statements with each other. So else if rand equals 1. So this now is tied, and I'll explain that in a second. And then we can finish it out with else on its own. And this just means in all other circumstances, do something different. So we'll do a background of a red background, just to kind of make it obvious. So that what this says is if the random number that's generated is 0, execute all of the code inside these two braces. Else, if the random number generated is 1, set the background to white, execute the code inside these braces. And in all other cases, else, set the background to red. So here we're going to probably see a red background pop up. No, not yet. All right. That was white, so that was a random value of 1. All right, and this is a random value of who knows what. It could be 2, 3, 4. It could be any of those values, and this would still execute. In fact, we could have it go like 50,000 values, and it would still, now it's almost certainly going to be red every time, because there are only two possibilities where it's not red, but there are 48,000 or 49,998 possibilities where it's red. But this is a useful way to sort of associate choices so that you can kind of control the flow of the choices. This is the special case, then this is another special case, and then this is the kind of default case. All right, so go ahead and play around with else if statements and else statements.